Now I'm going to provide you with brief descriptions of the Tech Academy courses included in your training. As I go over them, please keep in mind that it isn't important that you understand what all of these terms mean at this time. That's covered in the training. The Computer and Technology Basics for Developers course contains hundreds of simple, clear definitions of essential technical terms written by us. It includes roughly 50 videos that cover basic terminology, internet functions, the composition of a computer and a description of its main parts, basic security, how computers work, and so on. This course is vital for anyone learning coding. With a solid understanding of the fundamentals of technology, you're laying the foundation for all the courses that follow. Without this foundation, your study would be confusing and more difficult. The Overview of Software Development course. This course covers basic programming terms, explanation of all basic programming concepts that apply to all programming languages, the binary number system and algorithms, and what to expect as a developer. It's in this course that you'll write your first code. The Version Control course. Version control is the tools and processes that are used to manage multiple versions of computer files as they change over time. Version control is a key part of professional software development. When you have multiple people working on the same computer program, it's important to keep track of who did what and when. And it's also important to be able to reverse changes that were made if they contain mistakes or become unnecessary. Git is a popular version control program. You'll learn how to use Git on this course. You'll also learn about GitHub, which is an online site that lets you manage programs with Git and also lets you present a portfolio of your coding projects. The HTML course. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the computer language used to create web pages. This lets you create the content on the page, text, images, videos, etc. The CSS course. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. This is a technology that can control the styling for the web pages on a website. In other words, it helps you modify the appearance and format of the content on the web page rather than creating the content itself. You may end up creating your own portfolio website during the HTML and CSS courses. The JavaScript course. JavaScript is a very popular programming language. It's often used to make websites interactive. It can also be used to create computer programs that don't necessarily run on the World Wide Web. JavaScript is one of the most versatile and popular languages and is a key technology to learn. For those enrolling in the Software and Web Developer Training Program, you'll take additional courses that cover topics like databases and a deeper dive into computer programming. The goal of the programs is to prepare you to become entry-level web and software developers who are ready to hit the ground running on day one at your first job in the tech industry. While it takes years to master the programming languages we teach, by the end of our program, you'll have skills that are in demand in the marketplace, and you'll be in a position to continue educating yourself as you develop your skills further on the job. We want you to be a well-rounded, well-prepared junior-level developer. We are proud to be partnered with the UK's largest career college network.